Hi friends, this is Rekha Vinod. Welcome back to Rekha's Cookbook. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare carrot halwa. I have taken orange carrots. Any variety of carrots can be used. Make sure the carrots are tender and fresh. Wash it thoroughly and peel them. And grate the carrots in a grater or food processor or can be finely chopped. Let's see the required ingredients. Carrots approximately 600 grams, milk 600 ml, sugar 1 cup, I have used brown sugar, ghee 5 to 6 tablespoons, broken cashews 1/4 cup. If you don't know the quantity of carrots and milk, then here is the cup measurement. Tightly pack the grated carrots in a cup. With the same cup, measure milk and sugar. For 4 cups of grated milk, 1 cup sugar and 2.5 cups milk can be used. Heat a heavy bottom pan on medium flame. Add a teaspoon of ghee and allow it to melt. Once the ghee melts, add cashews and roast it until it is crunchy. Simultaneously, heat milk on another cooktop. Once the cashews are roasted, remove the roasted cashews from pan and set aside. To the same pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee and add grated carrots. After adding all the carrots, start cooking it until it is soft. Just to speed up the process, I have boiled the milk separately. Allow the carrots to cook in its moisture and close the lid. Cook the carrot until it is soft and raw smell from the carrot disappears. Before adding milk, make sure that the carrot doesn't smell raw. Boil the milk until the carrots are cooking. Now the carrots are cooked well in ghee and look soft. It's the time to add milk. I'm adding the boiling milk. You can also add the milk without boiling it separately. By boiling the milk separately, it will save you 15 to 20 minutes. Add milk gradually and mix well. I'm adding the remaining milk. Cook until the carrot absorbs all the milk. Now the carrot has absorbed the milk. Add sugar and mix well. Don't add sugar in the milk, then the milk may curdle. The sugar starts to melt. Continue to cook on medium to high flame. If you are using red carrots or Delhi carrots, then reduce the amount of sugar. There are 3 different ways of making carrot halwa. First is the traditional way using whole milk. Next is the rich version using khoya. And the other one is a quick method using condensed milk. Keep stirring it to avoid sticking it to the pan. When the carrot halwa starts to thicken, add cardamom powder and mix well. I'm using nutmeg. This is optional. Nutmeg is used in almost all the traditional sweets and has many health benefits. Our carrot halwa is almost done. Adding a teaspoon of ghee, and roasted cashews. You can use any nuts of your choice. Finally, add pinch of salt and combine everything. Now the delicious carrot halwa is ready. This can be stored in fridge up to a week and can be served warm or cold.